Chemical reactions happen all around you every day. This includes reactions that give you energy, and reactions such as photosynthesis, which provide us with the oxygen that we need to breathe. An example of a chemical reaction would be water. Two H2 molecules reacting with one O2 molecule yields 2 molecules of water. Examples of these reactions would be burning paper and even an explosion. Evidence that a chemical reaction occurred would be bubbles, temperature change, or color change.
Different chemists use equations to represent different chemical reactions. In an equation, the left side shows the reactants and the right side shows the products. Reactions are the starting substances and products are the finishing. In chemical equations, symbols are used to represent states or the processes of the reaction. Here are examples of symbols used in a chemical equation. Chemical equations can be shown in multiple ways. One way to show them is through the word equation. An example is a chemical equation involving aluminum and bromine. Another example is through the skeleton equation, which uses chemical formulas rather than the actual words. Here is an example using the same equation. The only problem is chemical equations have to be balanced, meaning they must have the right coefficient. A coefficient is the number written in front of the reactant or the product. Here's how to balance the equation for aluminum bromide. Because all sides aren't equal, you have to put the coefficient 2 in front of aluminum, 3 in front of bromide, and 2 in front of aluminum bromide.
In a synthesis reaction, two or more chemical species combine to form a more complex product. In a decomposition reaction, a compound is broken into smaller chemical species. A combustion reaction is a type of redox reaction in which a combustible material combines with an oxidizer to form oxidized products and generate heat. A single replacement reaction is when one element is being displaced from a compound by another element. A double replacement reaction is when two compounds exchange bonds or ions in order to form different compounds.
First, you have a solvent, which is a component of a solution that is present in the greatest amount. The next thing is a solute, which is a substance that is dissolved in a solution, for example, sugar. The next thing is a complete ionic equation. This includes the spectator ions as well as the products in the reaction. The net ionic equation shows only the chemical substances that are involved in a reaction.